Dear students, welcome to a new session. In the previous classes, we have been learning about arithmetic progression. We have already learned how to calculate the value of an or nth value using the equation a plus n minus 1 into d. We have also learned how to calculate the value of n. When an is given, when nth value is given, we can calculate the value of n also. N means the total number of terms in an AP series. Today we are going to find out the value of sum of the terms in an AP. The value of sum of the n terms of an AP. This can be easily found out by using the equation Fn. Fn means the sum of the terms, sum of n terms in an AP. N by t into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Fn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In order to memorize the equation, I shall give you a small trick. We have already learned how to calculate the nth value of AP using the equation a plus n minus 1 into d. This equation is known to us. So n by 2 into 2 can be added with this equation. So the total equation becomes n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us move into the problem side. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. We can use this formula Fn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Fn, here we have to find out F22. We need to find out the sum of the first 22 terms in an AP 8, 3, minus 2. Here n is equal to 22. There are 22 terms in this AP. So n is equal to 22. Total number of terms in an AP. Then a is equal to the first term. First term here is age. D is equal to second term minus first term. 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. That is 3 minus 8. We can apply these values into the formula. N by 2, 22 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into a, 8 into 2, 16 plus n 22 minus 1 into d into minus 5. Then 22 divided by 2, 11 into 16 plus 21 into minus 5. Then plus 21 into minus 5. Plus 21 into minus 5, minus 1 not 5. 16, 11. Then 11 into 16 minus 105 is equal to minus 89. So the answer is sum of 22 terms in this AP is 11 into minus 89 is equal to minus 979. Now let us solve another problem. Find the sum of 20 terms in an AP 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Here n is equal to 20. We have to find out the sum of 20 terms. So the total number of terms should be treated as 20. A is equal to 2. The first term in this AP is 2, so A is 2. Then D is equal to second term minus first term. 4 minus 2 is equal to, this is also 2. Then we can apply the values into the formula. Here F20 is equal to n divided by 2, 20 divided by 2 into 2 into A, 2 into 2, 4 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19 into D 2 is equal to 10 into 4 plus 19 into 2, 38, 10 into 38 plus 4, 42. So the answer is 420. The sum of total number of 20 terms in this AP is 420. So we are moving to the next problem. Find the sum of the series 9, 7, 5 until minus 29. We have to find out the sum of the series. We have to remember one thing in our minds. In order to find out the sum of the values in an arithmetic progression, we have to know the first term and the total number of terms. In this series, we know A is equal to 9, the first term. D is equal to 7 minus 9 minus 2, but we don't know the value of n. The total number of values is not known to us. So we have to find out the value of n first. We have been given minus 29. That means we have been given A 9 is equal to minus 29. If an is known, we can find out the value of n. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 29 is equal to A here is 9 plus n. We have to find out n minus 1 into minus 2. Here we can take these values, this 9 and minus 2 to this side. So minus 29 minus 9 divided by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. We have simplified 2 steps into 1 step. These two values taken together to this side. So minus 29 minus 9 divided by minus 2. So minus 38 divided by minus 29 minus 9 minus 38 divided by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 38 divided by minus 2 equals 19, positive 19 equals n minus 1. So n is equal to 19 plus 1, 20. Now we have got the value of n and the first term. So we can use this equation in order to find out the value of sum of these terms. So F20 is equal to n by 2, 20 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 9, 18 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19 into d minus 2. Then equals 20 divided by 2, 10 into 18, 19 into minus 2, minus 38, minus 38 equals 10 into 18 minus 38, minus 20. So sum of the total terms in this AP is 10 into minus 20 minus 200. So let us move to the next question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. We are asked to find out the sum of first 40 positive integers. Positive integers means positive numbers. So the series will start with the 6. 6 is the first term which can be divisible by 6. So it will start with the 6, then the next term will be 12, then 18 and so on. So the value of n is 40, a is 6, d is 12 minus 6, the common difference 6. So we can apply the values. Fn, that means F40 is equal to n by 2, 40 divided by 2 equals 2a, 6 into 2, 12 plus 40 minus 1, 39 into 6. Then 40 divided by 2, 20 plus 12 plus 39 into 6. 39 into 6. 234 equals 20 into 12 plus 234, 246. Then 246 into 20 is the value of sum of the term, first 40 positive integers which is divisible by 6. 20 into 246. 4,920. We are entering into the last question of this session. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. We know what are odd numbers and even numbers. Odd numbers start with 1, then 3, 5, such that. What will be the odd number below 50? That means the last number of the series. It is certainly 49. 49 is the last odd number below 50. So the series look like 1, 3, 5 until 49. We know the first term a is 1. The common difference d is 3 minus 2, 2. N, what is the value of n here? We don't know how many odd numbers are there in between 0 and 50. We know the series starts with 1 and ends at 49. But we don't know how many odd numbers are there in between 0 and 50. So, we know the value of an, nth value. So, we can apply the formula in order to find out the value of n. An, that means 49 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. 49 is equals a, value of a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d. 2. We can take these values into this side. 49 minus 1 divided by 2 equals n minus 1. So 48 divided by 2 equals n minus 1 equals 24 equals n minus 1. So the value of n will be n is equal to 24 plus 1. 25 is the value of n. That means there are 25 terms, 25 odd numbers in between 0 and 50. That means when we count from 1 until 49, there are 25 terms. So we have found out the value of n equals 25. Then f 25 equals n by 2, 25 divided by 2 into 2 into a, 2 into a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, 25 minus 1, 24 into d2 equals 12.5, 25 divided by 2, 12.5 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 24 into 2, 48 equals 12.5 into 48 plus 2, 50. So the answer will be 625. 50 into 12.5 is equal to 625. So this is the value of sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. We are ending this section. Within a short span of time, I will come out with some more useful videos related to the basic numerical method. If you are watching this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe this channel, like this video, put your valuable comments under this video. Thank you.